show you how to make tasty buttercup slice. It's great for light meals and lunch boxes, and it's really easy to make, and it's healthy as well. For our first stage of making the buttercup slice, we're going to be using a vegetarian pastry. This is bought from, you should find it in most of the grocery stores. And I have already pre-baked it for only about 8 minutes, because I have found that if you don't, it has a texture and a taste as if it's not baked, even though you bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. So bake it in a hot oven, 200 degrees Celsius, for just those 8 minutes. As you can see, I have put the almonds in, and just make sure you do bend it over the sides or attach it, because otherwise it does tend to slip right back into the bowl. And that's also what the almonds are in there for. And I'm going to just remove them now, but I just wanted to show you them. So that's our first stage. Our second stage, we're going to be sauteing. I'm gonna just light up our gas here. And I'm using olive oil for sauteing. So I've got my 1 cup of large onion sliced. I did it in the same processor, that's why there's a little bit of buttercup slice there. And this is 1/4 to 1/2 a cup of sliced buttercup. And why I say 1/4 to 1/2, because some buttercup pumpkins are larger and others are smaller. When I'm sauteing it, I also like to put a bit of water with it. That also helps that the temperature of the oil is not so high. So it actually is steaming and sauteing. And then I put in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just saute it until it's almost done. You don't want it completely soft and soggy, because it is going to still be cooked in your dish. Now that it's almost done, we're going to take it and put it in our dish. We are now going to add our sliced buttercup and onion to our dish. Just spread it around as even as you can. Now we're going to move on to the next part. We have 3/4 cup of soy milk. We have 1/2 cup of white spelt flour. And we've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And that helps to bind, seeing we're not using egg. And then we're going to be using 1 cup of cashew cheese. And you can find that recipe on the website. And we're going to add the rest of the salt. Okay, when that's mixed all nicely, we can pour this over. Now we're going to add our asparagus. This is almost 1 bottle of green asparagus, and it's cooked. So you can just arrange it how you like in the dish, on top of your mixture that you've just added. You can just be creative. And then we're going to add some Zenzo vegan cheese. That's about 1/2 cup. And then those lovely seeds that are very healthy and give you a lot of energy. I've got pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, so you can choose. If you don't like the one, you can add the other. Okay, and that is done then. And then we'll just be putting it back in the oven for 30 to 35 or 40 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Here we have the tasty buttercup slice. You can serve it with a nice green fresh salad. This can be served hot or cold, and it is very healthy and nutritious. Enjoy.